guys, and I'm here today to tell you that miracles really do exist. Christmas miracles. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, I own 2 dogs, and I have, oh wow, look at that. My face is in a bow. Anyways, I've owned 2 dogs. That's it. All my life. Used to be 3, sadly. But, you know, she passed away. But today, apparently Santa dropped off a gift for me, and I got my own kitten. My own kitty. We haven't decided on a name for her yet, but she's a tortoiseshell. She's really pretty. She's black and white, but on her orange splotches she has tabby markings. Something funny, when she first came into my room, she was scared of one of my toy tigers. But I love her. We haven't decided on a name yet. It's either going to be Hazel or Delia. Because my mom wants it to be Delia because she likes the Johnny Cash song that goes, "Ooh Delia, ooh Delia." So, it's either Delia or Hazel. Meow. Hi to you too. That's Furby 34. Oh, guess right. Anyways. Well, that's basically all I wanted to say. Because Christmas miracles. She doesn't meow very loud. But she's sitting next to me on her side. She's kind of relaxing. She's purring. Oh my god, my tiger is glitching. Boop. That looks strange. That. Yeah, me to you too. Anyways. So, Merry Christmas to all, basically. Goodbye. Oh, wait. Can you hear my cat? Meow? Yeah, she's just purring. All she does is purr. When she meows, it sounds like a whisper. Meow, meow, like that. But she sure is a purring kitty. See, speaking of purring, ha 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 ha. Genius. But yeah, about the meal times, still doing one for myself because I'm so fucking, no, just kidding. I already gave out my own presents to everybody for their mealtime and everything. These people, these are happy people. But, see you guys later. Yours truly, Dina.